I like to take a quiet moment for myself first thing in the morning. Get myself right on the inside before, the chaos begins. Venture capital is an extremely competitive business. So if you're not playing to win, why be here? We're investing across the frontier. Aerospace, deep tech, industrials, manufacturing, and AI. I have to get familiar and dangerous with new industries and technologies daily. That's really where AlphaSense comes in. I spend a lot of time wearing down the Control F button on my keyboard, searching through individual documents. What I love about AlphaSense is the document Q&A is huge for understanding what key insights are quickly. But I think what's really saving me is peace of mind, knowing that these are trusted sources. I'm not starting from scratch. There's a lot of noise out there, and AlphaSense gets me the signal.